Hi and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Olympia espresso machine, and we're going to go ahead and show the handle in this video per the customer's request. So I lifted up for a while to do a pre-infusion, and I have the coffee packed pretty tight, pretty fine, so I think it's not going to come out with pre-infusion, but you can see the water starts to come right away, or the liquid starts to come right away. And then, just in order to get really good crema, I tend to have the grind quite fine. And so the resistance I'm getting here is not from the gaskets. I mean some, but mostly it's from pushing through this really fine coffee in order to get the best amount of crema. And you can see how tight it is, because when the grind is really tight, there's a little bit of sponginess at the end, and then because it takes a while for that liquid to come out, and now it's completely gone. Now let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.